Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create diagrams using ChatGPT. So first of all, open up a browser. Then from there, go straight to ChatGPT. Now once you're at ChatGPT, the first thing that you have to do is that you will have to ask a question to ChatGPT related to the topic that you want to create a diagram about and make sure that the answer is stepwise. For example, I want to create a diagram on how a car engine works. So I'm just gonna type in that question. Explain to me step by step on how a car engine works. After that, hit enter. So here is the whole answer from ChatGPT. Then after that, you will have to type in this prompt right here. Please create a flowchart representing the process of. You will have to type in your topic here of how a car engine works, as that was my topic, and also type in incorporating the above steps. After that, just hit enter. So here is a flowchart created by ChatGPT. Now the next thing that you have to do is you have to type in give me a mermaid code for this diagram. After that, hit enter again. So here ChatGPT has given me the code. Just copy that code, open up a new tab and type in the new tab draw.io. Hit enter. Now after that you will be at this canvas right here. Now in here what you have to do is to just click on this plus button right here and click on advanced right here and click on mermaid. Now after that, remove the text already present there and paste in the code that you just copied from ChatGPT. Just paste it and after that hit insert. So here my diagram has been created. Now you can also play around with this diagram. For example, you can adjust the background color. Just clicking on this button right here and selecting a background color. For example, I'm just going to go for green, let's say. So here is the color change. From here, you can adjust the paper size according to any user desires, and you can also go in landscape mode if you want to. Now, if you go to this styles window right here, you can select from different styles that you like. For example, this one right here, this one right here, this one looks good. So I'm just going to click on this one, let's say. If you scroll further down, you have more styles, and if you click on this button right here, it will give you some other styles as well. You can select from them as well. For example, let's say this one right here as well. Now you can also go for a sketch type of diagram. Just click on this button right here and it will give you a sketch type of diagram. And you can also go for the rounded edges one. Just click on it and it will give you the rounded edges one. Now after you're done customizing your diagram, click on this file button right here and click on export as, and you can select either PNG, JPEG, SVG or any other format that you like. I will just go for PNG. You can also customize the exported product from these options right here. For example, you can adjust the zoom, the border width, you can select the size, page or diagram, or you can also go for a transparent background. You can also adjust its darkness, shadow, grid, include a copy of my diagram, and after you're done with customizing that as well, just click on export. And after that, you have multiple options on where do you want to store it. I'm just gonna click on download and I will store it in my computer. Just select the location and after that just hit save. So here my diagram has been downloaded. Just click on it and you have your diagram ready. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can create a diagram using ChatGPT. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.